If you're planning ahead and want to dedicate an emergency savings fund, the Empower app's autosave feature is a great way to get started. It automatically sets aside money based on your cash flow so you can build a cushion without thinking about it. First, open the Empower mobile app and log in. Look for the autosave or savings section from the main menu or dashboard. Tap to start setting it up by choosing how you want to save. You'll typically see two main options: weekly transfers. Empower analyzes your spending and sets aside small amounts throughout the week, up to four transfers weekly. Paycheck transfers, if you prefer, it can transfer funds on your paycheck date. Pick the option that fits your routine, then set a target like $100 per week or 10% of each paycheck. Empower will monitor your balance and move money only when it's safe to do so. So you won't face overdraft issues. Once it's active, you can track your progress in the app's dashboard. You can also adjust your goal, pause transfers, or withdraw anytime. Your money is always accessible. That's all it takes. Now your emergency fund builds quietly in the background, helping you be ready for unexpected expenses without lifting a finger.